Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explain about derive volatility 100 index. So this is 1 minute time frame. I already placed a trade here. So based on this area, I analyze this area very perfectly and I already placed a trade here. From here I place my trade to the downward direction and I set my stop loss here above this area and I set my TP point here. This is my target point, target area. So I think market must hit my TP point target. So just we have to wait. This is we have to use higher time frame like 15 minutes, 1 hour or 4 hours. I use only 1 minute chart here. How we can place a trade, how we can analyze in the market. So just if we set higher time frame, we can analyze by the same way. Just we have to wait and we have to see the target profit market hit my target or not. So we have to just wait. We can use higher time frame, it's not a big issue. Just if we can understand here, we must use at any time frame. After closing of my trade, I will explain what's the reason, how I place my trade here. Just we have to wait till market hit my target. So after winning this trade, I will explain what's the reason and how we can place, how we can use this platform and we can place our trade in volatility 10i index or volatility 100 index, or there are so many pairs here, we can use any of these. So let's see what will happen here.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. And I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise if you hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic. But maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance.
Yes, finally it hit my target profit, and this is my winning trade. So okay, so now I am explaining what's the reason why I place my trade and how I analyze here. Okay, so if we observe, previously there was seller's zone here, and in this zone market create here a pattern. This is a trend reversal pattern here. So market when came here, it created a chart pattern. After that market started to falling down very strongly. So I tried to place my trade after this candle immediately here, but because of fast movement of the market, my trade took place little below. Okay, so then here to here I set my stop loss here and target profit below this support level here. I know that market must hit this support level here because it's a market already created here a trend reversal setup here. That's why I place my trade here and set my target profit here and stop loss here, and this is my winning trade. So if anybody want to learn volatility index and forex, contact me by telegram at the @TRUSTED BNRY. So thanks for watching my videos.